My family may not be perfect. We may not always see eye to eye. But one thing we do agree on, we are For Sure family.
So, if you'd like to try it, please ask your parents first before doing this stuff. If you think you can do this with our video by saying our video and doing it at the same time, that would really help us. And
make sure to subscribe to the For Sure family and the Gaming Kids.
The Gaming Kids. My YouTube name is going to be called the WWE Games. So make sure to subscribe to WWE Games.
Hello, my name is Kelvin and he is
Jaden, and today we are making Jello Play Dirt Desert Kid. I will be telling what to do. I will be telling what to do, and
I will be doing the things that he says.
To start your adventure, what you need is 3 cups of cold milk.
Got it.
6
ounces plastic cups here. Directions.
Mix. Beat pudding mix and milk and medium bowl with whisk 2 minutes. Let stand 5 minutes. Now, mix it. All of it. Now, while we're waiting, he's for 2 minutes or 5. I'm going to be telling the other ones while he's done. So, once the 5 minutes are up, and once he's done doing that for 5 minutes, I will be telling the next thing we need to do. But we will be sharing.
Okay guys, we are back, done whisking and waiting for the 5 minutes. So now our next direction is layers. Spoon pudding into each cup top with chocolate cookie crumbs. So Jaden will go first. We put our chocolate cookie crumbs into our, I guess you could say, chocolate pudding. Creatures served immediately.
Now these are the gummy creatures.
These are the gummy creatures, and
you can put maybe like 3, but if your mom says you can put just a lot, then that's fine. But now, these things are delicious. And once you're finished, what you can do is now, you have finished it. The worms, dirt, And so now we can now eat it. I hope you guys had fun with our amazing adventure. See you guys next video.
Bye.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.